Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I'll be showing you how to make whipped Chebe butter and starting with the butters that we use. So we have a bunch of butters that we use that work best with the Chebe powder, and we have this is Kupuasu butter. The first one was kokum butter, and we have muru muru butter. You can see it's a soft butter, and we have mango butter, and we have sow butter. So one of the ways to balance out your butters is to add a blend of soft and hard butters just to make sure you have a nice texture in the end. So we do add a bunch of oils just to fortify the strengthening characteristics of the Chebe powder. And we have a hair growth oil, we have vitamin E oil, and we have black cumin seed oil that we add to this recipe. And we do have a bunch of oils in this recipe, and I cannot list everything, but I've gone ahead to add a bunch of it, and that's what I'll be using in the recipe. So our hair massage oil is a blend of 12 organic carrier oils already. And then when you add oils like baobab oil, you have black cumin seed oil. These are very strengthening anti-inflammatory oils on their own, and they just help to strengthen the hair, the entire length of the hair. So I will go ahead here and infuse the Chebe into the oil. So I've chosen extra virgin olive oil, which is an oil that can withstand some heat without breaking down. So that is the oil that I'm using to infuse the Chebe powder. So some people just add it into a cheese bag and dunk it into the oil when the oil is warm, but I like to incorporate the Chebe completely into the oil. So I put in the powder in the oil and then I warm it up, and then that way I just get a nicely infused oil. So you can see how it's just darkened the oil, and as it blends into the lighter melted butters there. So I had gone ahead and melted all the butters. So I have a full video where I also made this Chebe butter a few years back actually. So this is just an updated recipe. So some people ask about the ingredients that I use. So because I use a lot of ingredients, then if you would like to replicate something like this, then you just have to add those same ingredients in smaller quantities if you're not making a large batch. So but if you have your own handmade store, then you can just go ahead and use this exact recipe, because you'll be able to make about 13 8-ounce jars of the Chebe butter with the recipe. So I use this personally on my hair. I have mentioned here that I was experiencing a lot of shedding after my last baby, and I just decided to start using Chebe butter. So yes, I am on a Chebe journey, and it's been really great because my hair has absolutely changed, and I've noticed a lot of thickening, and I am so happy that I did not cut my hair, because I was getting a bit tired. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna cut everything and start afresh. And that would be the third time, because I cut my whole hair. I did another big chop in 2018. So that would be me starting over again, like the third time. But I'm so happy I didn't do that. So after I added the blended oil into the melted butters, I had allowed it to stay in the refrigerator for a little bit, but I did not allow it to become too solid, just because I used thick butters as well as softer butters. So I wanted to start the process a bit earlier just so I'm able to use my stand mixer more easily. So as you can see how the texture just looks, it looks really nice. I like how the butter is being whipped, and I just like the look of it and the texture and how it turned out. However, if you stop at this stage, don't just start piping the butters because it does settle down a little bit, as you can see. So when I make these butters in bulk, I do not just pipe it, I allow it to sit for a while before I start the piping process. So this is how it turned out, and I absolutely love it. Let me know if you have made chebe butter and if you will use this recipe. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.